Greetings, lovely viewers. It's an absolute pleasure to have you all here on my channel. My name is Wick. Today, I'm excited to share a nifty little trick with you that will help you put an end to Facebook's constant birthday notifications to your friends. So, let's dive in. As always, I highly recommend that you update your Facebook application to the latest version. This way, you can ensure that you won't run into any issues while tweaking your settings. Currently, I'm using the latest Facebook app version available. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Open up your Facebook app and navigate to your Profile section. Tap the Edit Profile option right here. You'll be taken to the section where you can edit your birthday information and its audience. To do so, we need to go to Edit Your About Info section on Facebook. Once you're there, click on the Edit Your About Information option, and you'll be able to edit your basic information. By default, Facebook sets the audience for your birthday and birth year as friends or friends of friends. This means that Facebook will notify them on your birthday, and they'll be able to send you wishes. To stop such notifications, click on the human icon right here, tap to More option and select Only Me. Do the same for the birth year option. Once you've made the changes, save them, and voila! Your friends and the public won't be able to see your birthday, and Facebook won't notify them anymore. That's all there is to it. For more informative videos and updates like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for tuning in, and have a fantastic day ahead.